Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed, playing content where we talk about our plants and we just try the best we can to try to grow them how we want them to grow. So if that's something you can relate to or you want to just hang out and do some plant stuff, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So, I have a little bit of coin in my pockets. I've saved up my pennies and I am going to be buying some planters. And I already know who I'm going to be buying them from. It is going to be from artist and ceramist Nickie Gunning. I love their planters. I have a bunch of them and I'm about to order like 6 more. So we're going to check out her website together, see what they have, and yeah. Alrighty, so I'm probably going to be looking down, but I'll like share my screen so like, you know, you can see, but I can't look at you and look at the screen. But anyway, let's get started. Alright, so I am already so excited. I like to see what she has new going on because, you know, it's just fun to see. So we get on to her website, nickiegunning.com. And it already pops me up to the shop because I've been here quite a few times. And I just really like just browsing. I love the texture of these planters. She has some really cute mugs. Look at that. Oh, I don't need any more mugs, but we're going to check it out because maybe I do need another mug. Oh, I just really, like, look at that. Look at that. Getting in there, looking at it. She has another one right here. This one has some more earthy tones. I just love that. I love the inside glaze, too. That is so pretty. So pretty. Love the flowers. How cute is that? Alright, and then there's a cactus one. Guys, look at that. And I love how she has it where it's like almost 3D, like you're looking into like a desert. I've never been to a desert, so I don't really know. But I like how there's some that are up front, some in the back. Really cute. She's got some other mugs. And these are some other planters she has. I have a lot of the turquoise ones because I love them. And yeah, let's see. Okay, I definitely want a blue and silver. I have one of these already and I love them. I love the texture. I love just seeing the different colors. Like, look at this. Right here. I just love that. I don't know, maybe it's just me. There are 2 available, so if someone else wants one, you can get it. We have matching planters. Alright, let's see. The cobalt blue. That is so pretty too. I love that one. Oil slick. Let's see this one. Look at how, just like look at that. It's so pretty. It's so textured. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, you know? But I like these planters. They're amazing. Look at that. So we're going to get that. I am getting the last one. Sorry, guys. Alright. The hair fur planter. Let's check it out. I have 2 of these guys already, but I just want to show you because this is like, look at that. I just love it. I can like literally stare at these planters all day. Like I pick them up, hold them in my hand and just like stare at the plant and the planter. Like the combination just like pops. They're all like actually in front of me right now and they just pop. They're really cool. But I have 2 of those and I am on a budget. I'm not made of money, so I'm going to get some of the ones that I don't have already. Look at that. Of course that mug is sold out. It's beautiful. That is so cool. That is so cool. love it. I love the dripping on the inside too. It's just, I don't know. It's different, you know? I don't like the cookie cutter, like, clean edge type of stuff. I don't know. Maybe I'm weird. Oh well. Alright, up here. So, that one is sold out. This one's not. Mist Planter. I'm getting one. Look at that. Can you just see that? I love it. It's just so... It's like mesmerizing. I feel like I'm running out of adjectives to describe these, but like really, like I really like them. There is gonna be one left, so whoever wants to be my twin, let me know in the comments below if you guys are interested in this. The mirror planter, I have one of these guys. They are so cool. These ones are really cool. Like these I think would go with people who also like monochromatic type of aesthetics. The mirror can go with the black aesthetic, a white aesthetic, a gray aesthetic. It like pops. It's really cool. And we have another lavender planter. Just look at that. Just all the different colors coming through the glaze. It's like beautiful, really. It really is. I love that purple color. We're definitely gonna get that. Just look at that. You see that, guys? Beautiful. And there will also be one other one, so go get them. Go get them. The toasted planter. I have one of those. Also very beautiful. The Marshmellow planter. I have one of those, and I have the drip turquoise. But let's look at the Marshmellow planter first. I'm gonna definitely get another one of these. I only have one, and I just love it. Again, it's something that can actually go with like a more monochromatic aesthetic. So, and it's something different than like just the boring, you know, white pots you get from Target or Walmart or wherever you get your boring white pots from. Not to be mean, but alright, so the lights just went out. Are you kidding me? Anyway, it's fine. So this drippy turquoise planter, I love this. I have one of these already, and I also have another one that is completely sold out. She had an opening, and it sold out like that day. It's like a leopardy print. The way the glaze came out, it almost looks like a leopard print. It's really cool. But anyway, look at these guys. I love it. And then this guy. Again, it just has like that pop. You can see like the brown underneath like this bluish green haze. It's really, really pretty. I love it. It almost reminds me of like the Aurora Lights. I've never been there, but like I see this planter and that's what I think of. Wherever that happens. Alaska, California. I don't know where the Aurora Lights happen. I think it has to be Alaska, right? Because I remember seeing the cartoon where they went and they saw the lights and stuff. So that's what this reminds me of. Alright, so we got our 6. We're at our budget. I'm going to scroll, just making sure I have everything that I want. Yes, yes, yes. And look at this. It's already included. KELLIEHOYA discount. If you want 15% off your order, if you want to buy something for her, you can add discount code KELLIEHOYA and get 15% off. I'll like take it off and show you guys. This is how you do it. KELLIEHOYA. Not a big deal. Really easy. And it's almost the price of a pot. So it's like buy 6 get 1 free. Ooh. Sounding really cool. Alright, I think that's what we're gonna get. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? Yeah. So let me know in the comments below which is your favorite planter. Also some local artists that you like to buy planters from when you have that little bit of extra money to support a local artist. You should, if you can. If you can. And yeah. Also, I just want to shout out Nickie Gunning. I just love all of her stuff. She also has some more like wall art if you want. I have a couple of her pieces, and you can go on the website. I'm not going to show them to you because it's not really planty related, but if you're interested and you're looking at the planters, you might as well go and scroll through all the other sections of her page, see what there is, and yeah, let me know in the comments below if you are interested in any of this. If we end up being like a little planter twin, let me know which one. Hey guys, I'm back. And I have the planters that I purchased from Nickie Gunning. This is how she has them wrapped. Looking good, looking good. And I'm just gonna show you some up close shots of the planters. She has them wrapped very nicely, very secure. From what I could tell, nothing is broken. I didn't think anything was gonna be broken because these are really hardy planters and they ship really well. I've definitely had some planters come in the mail broken from other places. But you know, you get what you pay for kind of deal. You know, if you buy a cheap pot, it's a cheap pot. So the first one, I'm just going to try to give you some up close views. I love the coloring on the edge. You can see like the brown, it just like pops. Look at that right there. I love that. So pretty. Alright, the next one. This one must be like the mist one, or the fog one. I hope you could see with the glare, but look how pretty. Look at that. I love that. Alright, the next one is Oil Slick. I love this one. Look at how pretty that is. I love that texture. Comes up. It almost looks like mountains. This one has a deeper glaze on the inside. I love the dripping. And then right here, just like the hint of white. I love it. The next one is Marshmellow. And this is great for anybody who's really into that like white monochromatic aesthetic. This is the plant for you. It gives you just enough texture. It has the white. It will go. It gives it a little bit of pop with the porcelain underneath and the clay underneath. Look how pretty that is. Look at that. Gorgeous. This one is the blue with the silver. Blue and silver one. And you can see all the drippings. I love that. That is just like amazing. It looks, if you look at it, what I see when I look at it, I look at like a forest with like some light shining in the background. I don't know, that's how I see it. Or like a night camera type of forest type of thing. Is that weird? I don't know, but that's what I see when I look at this. Look at how pretty that is. The glaze. Look at the dripping on the inside. I love that. Love it. Alright, the last one is Lavendar. It's the lavender one. And look at how beautiful that looks. I love this. This one's maybe my favorite at the moment. Looking at all of them, I just love this. I love the texture of it. I love how you could see like almost like a brown bronzy color through the lavender. I love the drippings on the inside. Can you see that? That's beautiful. Alrighty guys, so out of the 6 I bought, these are like my top 2. I hope you can see. I just love it. That looks like the aurora lights with the North Pole or South Pole, Antarctica or wherever it is. That just reminds me of the aurora lights. And then I just love the purple over like the bronze color. So these are my top 2 from this order. I love all of them. I'm going to use all of them. And yeah, so let me know which one is your favorite. Let me know other artists that you like to buy pottery from. And until next time, relax, plant. Peace out.